Going to discuss the delayed puberty in the girls. We will check what are the causes of the delayed puberty, what investigation has to be performed, and what would be the treatment. First of all, what is the delayed puberty? It is defined as no pubertal signs by the age of the 13 years or menarche by the age of the 16 years. And the most common cause of the delayed puberty is constitutional growth delay. Constitutional growth delay is के बॉडी का नॉर्मली जो है थोड़ा डिले है, लेकिन एंड पे एडल्ट हाइट और साइज़ जब मेंटेन होगा तो डिले है प्रोग्रेस में, उसकी ग्रोथ में, लेकिन एट द एंड उस एडल्ट फॉर्म उसकी नॉर्मल ही होगी. द कॉजेज़ फॉर द delayed puberty are constitutional growth delay, which we have discussed earlier, then primary ovarian insufficiency, which can occur in the Turner syndrome, gonadal dysgenesis, galactosemia, ovarian surgery, radiation or chemotherapy. All these causes primary ovarian insufficiency, which causes delayed in the puberty. Then central hypogonadism, which can occur in the CNS surgery, radiation and chemotherapy, and Kallmann syndrome, chronic illnesses, malnutrition and exercise. All these results in the central hypogonadism, which causes the delayed puberty. Investigation to be performed is first of all the X-ray wrist and hand for the bone age. Mainly the left hand is used for the X-ray. Then evaluate the chronic illnesses. For this we can see the CBC, ESR, renal and LFTs, renal and liver function tests, RFTs and LFTs. Then we will do the hormonal evaluation, in which we will check the status of the thyroid by the TSH, and growth hormone level is to be checked. Then we will measure the FSH and LH and estrogen level. Pelvic ultrasound and karyotyping is also be done. Treatment would be the replacement therapy in hypogonadal girls, and it begins with the estrogen alone at the lowest available dosage. Then oral preparations such as the estradiol or topical patches can be used. Cyclic estrogen progesterone therapy started 12 to 18 months later. First of all, only estrogen therapy started. Then after 12 to 18 months of the estrogen therapy, cyclic estrogen and progesterone therapy is started to maintain our normal psychological hormonal levels in the girl, which occurs in the normal females and result in the normal menstrual periods.